Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw a soccer field step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the sidelines and end lines. Grab your ruler and start drawing a big rectangle. This is our field's outline. Then, inside that, draw another rectangle. Step 2. Adding the goal and goal area. Sketch in those goal posts and the goalie's box. Step 3. Drawing the penalty box. Draw those rectangles around each goal area and add that crucial semicircle outside. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Adding the center spot. Draw a line straight down the middle and add a circle. Step 5. Putting in the corner arcs. Let's not forget those corners. Add some cool arcs. Step 6. Coloring your drawing. Grab your greens and start coloring. Add some shades to the pitch. Your soccer field is ready to host the next big game. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a soccer field. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.